Here we go once again. Foreign marriage, lying amen. Don't you worry, it's gonna be alright. 'Cause I'm the judge and jury.
I'm good.
Hey!
25, no?
Alright, good morning everybody. We're here in Cagayan de Oro and we're on a mission. You might be wondering, where are you going, Finn? Well, I have no idea. Where are we going, Kulas?
I have no idea too! That's a lie! I know where we're going! It's okay!
Sweet! So, we'll be driving this Miss Cindy. You're probably aware who that is. And yeah, like I said, we'll be going on a mission today. It's gonna be maybe 6 or 7 day mission. So, let's go! Woo!
Here we go once again. Foreign marriage, lying amen. Don't you worry, it's gonna be alright. 'Cause I'm the judge and jury, and we'll be up all night. You better check for pose. You better check for pose. You better check for
Well, what do we got here? We got the first obstacle of the day. How do we get through this, Kulas?
I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. There's a lot of security guards here in
Mindanao?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going for it, here we go. This is it, moment of truth! Ah! Not the goats! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh wait a minute, it's just goats!
there's a place where you belong. Shake your ass, don't you worry about the future, about the past. It will hurt the ones that love you, and they will hurt you right back. Sing along, sing along. Our love is a heart attack. You better check for pulse. You better check for pulse.
So Kulas is down there. We are having a little bit of difficulties with the drone. It is super hot right now. You can see the drone over there. And it's fucking up his lens. And the focus is not going. We've been trying it for about 20 minutes now. So we're hoping that... Hi guys. We're hoping that it's gonna be fixed. Maybe... Yeah. But one of the difficult things about flying the drone here is the heat. So the heat is definitely having an effect on the lens. And it's fogging up. Another thing you gotta be extra careful about here is staying dehydrated. So drink as much water as you can. But we're gonna try to fix the drone. Maybe try to do some cool shots. We found this kind of secret beach. We've never been, well, Kulas has never been here. So this is a secret beach. You can go down here onto the branch, do some nice shots. And it's a really nice beach, except it's a little bit dry fish smell here. How's it looking now?
Deal with this later.
All right.
Drone problem. The ass one.
Drone problems. Yeah, we're having a little bit of difficulties, but regarding the heater, you can tell from my shirt, it is pouring sweat right now. These drone problems are quite annoying. I know how Kulas is feeling right now. You know, you got this nice spots, you want to film it.
He's lying, I feel great. Best day ever!
Sure, but we're gonna test out some few things later on. Maybe we'll try to fix it that way. But it's 2 o'clock and we're heading off to the next location. Maybe get a lunch or something. Let's
Shake
go.
your ass, don't you worry about the future, about the past. It will hurt the ones that love you, and they will hurt you right back. Sing along, sing along. Our love is a heart attack. You better check for pulse. You better check for pulse.
Look at this place, man.
You better check.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Wow, we got big mangroves over there. Holy coconut tree. And we're just driving through here. I don't think we're stopping here or anything.
No, we're just
Yeah. Imagine driving on the road, middle of nowhere. This is freedom, guys.
You better check for pulse.
So we made a quick stop on the side of the road and the mic was turned off, so I gotta record this again. But we're here on checking out this boathouse. It's built inside of this mangrove. And usually Usually there's nobody here, Kulas said. But I think that's some sort of party, so let's go check it out. What's really amazing to be traveling with Kulas, he's like the super celebrity big star here. Everywhere you go, you're gonna see them stop, ask for a picture, or even if you're driving on the road, they'll be This mangrove is really unique. You can go around it. It feels like you are basically inside of the mangrove, built on this bamboo bridge. Just look at that. He's such a celebrity. Apparently this is a new built bridge right here, and Kulas haven't been here. So this is a brand new one? Nice. How cool is that? Everyone's on holiday, everybody's chilling out, jumping into the water. Look at that. Such a good vibe.
The unflyable.
Oh, man, we had the biggest bummer ever because we were gonna do a really nice shots over here, filming the locals and all this nature. But look at this, we're in a no flight zone. I don't know if you can see the screen, guys, but it's basically saying red zone.
So close.
We're inside of a red zone. There's an airport. See that? This is an airport.
Oh, we were so close.
And we
It's so
cannot take him
beautiful.
up.
Of course.
That's a bit unfortunate, but I guess we pack down and head over again.
Will I ever feel this light again? When I thought I didn't need it, I found a new friend. I'll wake you tomorrow before I leave, and the song I'll be singing will be this one indeed. This is as long as we go. I know you will be.
Wow, look at this place, man. Look at that. Check this place out. I guess we're going in here. So what is this place, Kulas?
It's a local protected forest nature park
Okay.
along the coast. And again, there's a small entrance fee, but support local.
Awesome.
It's for the environment.
Let's go check it out.
This is as long as we go. I know you will be alright. But somehow wherever you are, you're still in the crossfire.
Finn doesn't know much about trees because Iceland doesn't have many. This was a good choice by me. Yes.
I will give you the world if you let me stay. Put your arms around me.
Usually when you go to these places, you have to walk, hike. So every time you can ride a bike, whether that's through the forest or mountains, I take the bike. Kulas, what is the name of this place?
Libertad Initao Protected Landscape.
Alright, we're gonna try to make a quick stop here. We believe this is a cave. Oh yeah, it is.
Yep.
There is actually one gadget that I got for a Christmas gift, and we're gonna try that out right here. Kulas is doing his thing over there, but this is the gadget that I got for Christmas. You attach this on your cap, and then you have a light.
Into the cave here to see the coastline. That's all I'm gonna say. You go first, Finn. Tell us what you think of the end. Go.
Let's go.
You got a light. He's actually prepared.
What was that?
That is cool.
I guess we didn't need the lights, but here we go.
This part of Northern Mindanao is awesome because it's so local. You don't really see many tourists, just local people hanging out. Woo! I think we can go down. We usually can. Yeah, we can. No worries. Holy smokes, it's high tide. We're good though. I think we're good.
We're gonna get a little bit of
A
water.
little bit of water mist. So it's high tide, so I'm just gonna go for it. A little bit of mist, but we're good. Yeah, you can just go on the left side. Woo! Just watch yourself here, it's slippery. Oh my gosh.
Dude, they were splashing over there.
Holy smokes! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh! Okay, hold this up. This isn't fun now. Okay, I'm second.
Definitely not smart.
Okay, there's big waves. Man, Holy smokes! Okay, let's go back up. Go back up. Oh no! Okay, go back up. Oh my gosh! Sorry. Okay. Bad Kulas. Abort mission. Bad Kulas. Bad Kulas. That's the highest tide I've ever seen. Oh my gosh! Back to the cave. All right. You're right, man.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh. Usually you can just hang out there. Usually you can just stand by on the rocks there and swim, but I think we'll go check out a different viewpoint. Nice one, Brad.
They were pretty high up, so we abort mission, guys. It was way too high tide right now, so we're gonna go to another place for a better view top.
So that is the cave, and what just happened?
Well, Kulas, that was probably one of the worst cave experience I've ever had.
And it's all my fault.
No, really, it was. I think we could have been maneuver around the area, but the tides are just way too high right now, and at this point, this could be risky stuff. If they get swollen out and drag you out, you're done.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go find a view.
I wait for the calm.